What is up, YouTube? My name is Oscar, and in this video, you're going to be learning how you can make money online with Wix in 3 different ways. And at the very end of this video, if you stick until with me to the very end, I'm going to show you a little bonus on an easy way to make money in your sleep. And this is how I actually make money as a side hustle because my full-time job is being a nurse. A little disclaimer before we start this video, I am not a financial advisor. This is just for educational purposes only. Okay, so if you really want to make money, you got to be putting in a little bit of effort. So how can you make money with Wix? It's very simple with affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Basically, you're going to be promoting a service like Wix, like this one, and you're going to be making $100 for every conversion. Yes, you heard me right, $100 for every conversion. Make money fast. Their competitive payouts of $100 per sale are among the highest in their industry, okay? So you don't need to make websites for other people. You can just promote Wix, and whenever someone clicks through your affiliate link, you will get paid. So affiliates have made over $109 million through this website, and you can get unlimited referrals, and anybody can join, okay? They have a lot of things that can help you, from email marketing through different types of ad creatives, and they're going to show you how you can actually promote it. So how can you do it? You just got to sign up for an affiliate account. You don't even need to own Wix or buy their software to promote it. You got to promote your Wix through your things like social media accounts, through Instagram, TikTok, anything, YouTube, okay? And whenever someone clicks your link and buys any softwares for as little as like $10 for their cheapest one, you will get paid. Okay, so now how can people pay for or find your affiliate links and actually click on it so you can get paid? It's very simple. You can go on YouTube right now and you could teach people how to make websites, because that's what Wix is all about. Wix is about making websites, okay? They help you create stores, help you create sales funnels, and you could teach people how to do that. So you can make videos how to create a website, okay? You can make videos on how to create websites. Like this whole channel is about making websites, making landing pages, making sales pages. And whenever you watch a video, click the link, for example. Let's go check out this video. We're going to pause it so we don't see the ads. Okay, there you go. You click this link, sign up through their thing, and they're going to be making $100. So once you make that video, they're going to be continuously making money. These guys, Central Media, have 759,000 views in the last 30 days. Okay, so you can make money through it that way. So when you click this link, it's going to take you to their affiliate site where you're going to learn about the leaders in website creation and how to make website. So whenever someone starts now and clicks this link and signs up and goes through the whole credit card process, they're going to be getting paid every single month $100. You don't even need to convert that many people. 759,000 views. Imagine just converting 100 people per month. How much is that? Let's go look at it right now. 100 times 100, boom, $10,000 a month just from promoting Wix. Okay, you can create landing pages. So for example, how to create landing pages. Really simple. We're gonna search it up. Internet's kind of slow, but it's okay. See how to make a landing page, because you can also make landing pages with Wix. So if we check out this account, Web Academy, for example, they have 11,400 subscribers. Their whole thing is creating an online store, creating a landing page, creating a website, and they're uploading every single day. Imagine you only need to convert maybe one person per video. So for example, 1,000 people watches this, one person signed up, they made $100 just for 15 minutes. Imagine 10 people signed up, they made $1,000 in that 15 minutes it takes to create this video. Okay? And the cool thing with Wix is that over 100 million people have already used it. It's known, it's worked, it's one of the best website building things out there, and I actually use it myself. So yeah, it's a lot easy to promote. It only costs like $10 for the very minimum tier, and whenever someone signs up, you're going to be making $100 out of them. Another easy way to make money is by actually making websites for people using Wix and whatever knowledge you have. So sign up for Wix, make a website, and you could charge people a lot of money. So for example, this one, I will do a professional Wix website for $250 right here. Include 3 to 5 pages, SEO optimized, portfolio. He has 5 orders in queue. he's making around $1,250, and he's had 407 5-star ratings. Yeah, that is a lot of people. That is a lot of money. This could be a good side hustle, just making simple website designs for people. Like these right here, a simple sales funnel, a simple website. You could do this in less than an hour. Honestly, you can make money with this. Fiverr. Also, if you don't want to do Fiverr, you can also do Upwork. Upwork is a marketplace where it's basically like Fiverr, but there's a lot more people. So you could search up how to create a website. So you would create an account, and this guy is charging $100 per hour, $89 per hour, $100 per hour. So this is a really efficient way to make money online, because this guy's earned $20,000. This guy has earned, how much does this say? $30,000, $10,000, $100,000, $100,000 per hour. So yeah, you can make YouTube videos promoting Wix, making websites. Then on the other side, you could also be promoting your Fiverr account, your Upwork account, and you could make money that way. So there's 3 ways you could make money. You could make money through your affiliate links whenever someone signs up, whenever you make a video. You can make money through actual Fiverr and making actual services for people, like creating landing pages, for example. You can make money creating landing pages. This guy is giving it $350 to make a landing page, when you can do it on Wix for like $10. Okay, so that's another easy way. And then you could also promote your Upwork link. Another easy way to do it is by actually going on ClickBank and actually promoting the different types of websites. So for example, here, let's go click on their channel. So this lady right here is showing you how to make a website step by step. So if you click here, she has an affiliate link for Squarespace, and Squarespace, I think, charges $100 also for every referral. So whenever you click get started launching your website, she is getting paid for that, and she has around 50,000 views. Okay, so you can also make money through Social Blade. For example, let's go look up her channel on Social Blade Web Academy, and let's go see how much money she's making from YouTube ads. So 57,000 views, but this is a very targeted audience, how to make a website. So she's probably earning around $30 for every 1,000 views after YouTube takes its cut. So 30 times 57, let's go see, 30 times 57, she's making around $1,700 per month, but she's probably making most of her money through her affiliate link, because remember, you don't need to convert everybody. Imagine just 10, 20 people are converting each and every month. How much is that? 20 people times $100 for every referral that you get is $2,000. That is the power of affiliate links. That is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time.